Hello guys and welcome back to another video. If you're a big fan of tennis and don't want to miss any live matches, then this video is just for you. Today I'm going to show you a simple and easy way to watch tennis live streams directly on your mobile phone. So make sure to watch this video till the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to your app store. Once you're there, tap on the search bar and type Tennis Live TV. After that, you will see multiple apps, but make sure to select the one that I'm about to show you. Once you've found the app, simply tap on the Install button. If you already have it installed, then make sure to update it to the latest version so everything works smoothly. After the installation is complete, open the app. When you open it, you will need to log in first. You can sign in using your account, and once you're logged in, you'll be able to access all the live streams and matches available in the app. And that's it. Now you can enjoy watching your favorite tennis matches live anytime, anywhere. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more useful content like this. Until next time, see you soon in another video.